Am I streaming fine, all of you? Okay, we have Sujay, Anamika, Sunidhi. Okay, am I audible to all of you? Good and nice? Yeah, those on the YouTube can also respond. Hi, Devarga. Nice seeing you online after some time. It's been a while since I saw or talked to you. Sujay, Anamika, Sunidhi. Okay, okay. So, welcome to all of you. Today's quick evening webinar, and we'll have a short discussion on how to proceed from now. Do I assume all of you have given your prelims this year? Is this the right assumption? And that for whatever reasons you could not clear the prelims? Hi, Lakshita, Soni, Shamsundar, Shinde, okay, Sujay, Sunidhi, Anamika. Yes? Okay. So by how much marks did you miss out on your prelims? How many marks did you miss out on your prelims? Was it a substantial amount or was it? Hi Ganesh, good evening. Om Yadav, good evening. The others, uh, how narrowly did you miss out on your prelims? You cleared GS, so CSAT may have trapped you. Okay, CSAT again. Okay, Sham Sundar, Lakshita says by 10 odd marks in GS, narrow margin, CSAT by 5-6 marks maybe. First attempt, done with syllabus, what next? Okay, hi Hemant, Prince Chaudhary. Okay, okay, okay. No issues, no issues. Say, one thing I hope all of you are clear about is that these are part of your preparation cycles. There's no use worrying too much about it, no use brooding over it. Substantial, 15, 20 marks, yes, that's substantial, Anamika, and CSAT was narrow, okay, okay. 26, you will have your first attempt, okay. 19 GS, 85 in CSAT, don't know what happened. Atul, yes, I agree. This year, there are a couple of irregularities. Students with almost 85, 90 marks. I thought the cutoff will be less this year, but looks like cutoff has been higher. Quite a number of students who did not qualify even if they scored 90, 95 types. Hello, Pooja. Okay, CSAT was your problem. Achha. So, guys, are you aware of the uh, uh, process that I have put on the Telegram channel for the GS? Did you manage to look up those questions I'm sharing on daily basis on the Telegram channel? Are you aware of that? Okay, okay. So I don't see many of you writing in. Okay, Joshi says no, right? Last year, despite preparation, it went well. This time it was really bad. Okay, okay. ठीक है. Some years are really bad. You wonder what went wrong. Okay. So without getting demotivated, this process demands that you get started again. Okay, Namika. So चलो ठीक है. अब बताओ आप लोगों का क्या प्लान है? Today's workshop is on geography optional. Hi Kia, summarizing NCRTs in organized manner. Good, nice. ठीक है. That's very nice. Devarga. So you tell me, before I start off and tell you what my plan is, what are your expectations about, what is your thought around what you want to do? Did you think through this? What is it that you want to do? What are your plans? What you think will be a nice process ahead? Summarizing NCRTs for optional, a bit of revision strategy. Absolutely, yes, Anamika. That's what we will do. You have to do that. Yes, correct. और क्या करना है बताओ? अच्छा, can you all be very honest about one fact? Most of you have been my students, or you know about the process. How many of you have done your uh, uh, foundation geography synopsis already? How many of you have done your synopsis already? Done. Anamika says done. Nothing pending on synopsis part. I'm talking about the geography optional. Okay, fine. Saket said done. Shubham says completed. Anamika says yes. Okay. Parmika says yes. You're completing the classes, Priya, but you find less time for revision. That's okay. Okay. Sonia says yes, done. Lakshita, that's a slip. Okay. Summarization to aapko karna hi padega. You'll have to find ways. You want to give first attempt 27, complete optional. Yes, absolutely, Vijay. Without completing optional and complete course completion, you will be in trouble. You're right. Okay. So all of you, if you can tell me, you can see my screen. Can you all see my screen? Is my screen visible to all of you? Yeah? Okay. Okay, fine. So here we go. Okay. Keep looking at the screen. And I'll suggest if you all can have your note and pen paper ready. Okay, so that I can tell you about how the process will be, and you have to follow this diligently. So in some ways, you guys are fairly well placed. Right now, I'm starting from our current July 2025. Okay. And your prelims will be month of May end. May end 2026. And your process for prelims must start from December, January. And this is the time that you have for all the pending work that you are supposed to finish off, revision, answer writing. And from December, January up to May, this has to be your prelims centric work. This has to be your prelims centric work. Okay, now in this time, say around September, okay, September, December, this is the time when you should be giving a proper tests, both for GS and also for optional. And this time that you have, okay, the month of July and the month of August, this is the time when you will do all consolidation work. This is when you have to focus on all backlogs. You have to do memorization. and you have to learn answer writing as much as possible. Are you all agreeing with me on this? कि यही आपके पास time है, because if you jump into proper tests, if you jump into answer writing of the UPSC level, you will face lot of challenges. So this is the time that you all have, the month of July, August. Okay, 2 months where you do all consolidation, all backlogs, all memorization, and learning of answer writing. And from September, we will start with your enrichment course. I know many of you have not done enrichment last year. You decided to postpone this because you were focusing on your prelims, right? So now is the time you have to get your act together and come into enrichment. So it's like this now. So the month of July and the month of August. Okay, this time you have to finish all revision work, all backlogs, learn as much of answer writing you can, and from September onwards up to December, this will be your enrichment course. So how many of you did not do the enrichment last year and you postponed it for this year? I'm sure there are quite a few of you who have done that. You could not manage maybe, or you were not confident about the enrichment. Maybe you wrote to us about shifting. Okay. Or if you have done it, maybe you have not done it very well. Can you tell me how many of you have done that? How many of you want to do this writing work properly? Okay. Not done very well, Anamika. यही problem होता है जब कोर्स कर रहे होते हैं आप लोग, वो पूरा कोर्स ढंग से नहीं करते हैं. चलो कोई बात नहीं. Okay, if you want to join again, you can join, but let us use this time properly. Okay, is it agreed by all of you? See, I need some bit of strong commitment. I need you to commit to the process. ये cycle bar. The first attempt, I understand you had excuses. The first attempt, I understand you were not as thorough. The first attempt, you were juggling too many things. But बेटा अब आपके पास excuse नहीं है. 2026, okay, has to be the attempt for you. अब ऐसे पढ़ाई करना है that you must target to qualify. Nothing less than writing the mains and giving interview should satisfy you. So ऐसे आपको काम करना है. Okay, so here is my planner. Here is my list of suggested tasks. The list of suggested tasks. Okay, so task में क्या क्या है? Okay, one very important work is finish all synopsis. The second important task is, okay, please read up all reference textbooks. I'm talking about geography optional, okay, mind you. All of these are about geography optional, and we are getting ready for 2026. The suggested tasks are for the month of July and for the month of August. Read up all textbooks, and start answer writing. Start answer writing. Okay, and remember, you have to do this along with your GS work also. Khushi Jaiswal, you had taken a lecture of enrichment but could not do all the tests. Khushi, ये problem है, हम क्या करें बताओ? आप लोग को हम ऑप्शन भी देते हैं कि पोस्टपोन कर लो, अगर चाहो तो बाद में कर लो. तो कम से कम खुशी, दिस ईयर यू डू द फुल लेंथ टेस्ट्स. अब जो भी हुआ ठीक है, यू विल नॉट गेट ट्रैप्ड इनटू दैट डिबेट एनीमोर, बट कम से कम गिव योर एंड नाउ डू द वर्क अ बिट मोर डिलीजेंटली. आपको ये काम भी करना है, जीएस वर्क भी करना है. So this is your suggested task. Now, here is my plan for all of you. This is my plan. Okay. So this is your daily schedule. This is your length of day. Okay. Forget the time you require for lunch and forget the time you require for dinner. Okay. So this is the morning slot. We have the afternoon slot, and we have the night, afternoon plus evening slot, and we have the night slot. So these are the 4 major slots: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. So you have to give time for maybe 3 to 4 hours for GS and give 3 to 4 hours for geography. Okay, and maybe 1 or 2 hours for whatever consolidation that you want to do. Okay, and when I say 3 or 4 hours for GS, this includes your revision work plus also your answer writing. This also includes revision work plus also answer writing, and you have your consolidation time. So now see, this time, this slot that you have, 3-4 hours for GS, either you do revision and answer writing, or if you have not done NCRTs, then please do NCRTs. You cannot do everything at the same time. Current affair, सुजय बाद में. Okay, आपका अगर core set नहीं है, if your core is not set, if your basic notes are not set, if your basic conceptual base is not ready, current affairs का क्या करोगे बताओ? सुजय, you have not done NCRTs, your note summarization is not finished, you do not know basic answer writing, क्या करोगे current affairs का? So, and this I'm saying, no, that this is the task that you have, okay, for the month of July and August. तो आपके पास बहुत ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है. You do not have lot of time. Okay, at best you can do is this time that you have for consolidation, you can probably distribute this some bit for current affairs also. वो भी कर सकते हैं कि चलो यार, in 1 week 2 or 3 days I will do consolidation, another 2 or 3 I will do current affairs. वो भी कर सकते हैं. Rahul, the bridge course we will start somewhere around maybe 10th or 15th of July se shuru hoga, Rahul. Does this look doable to all of you? So you tell me, dekho, this part I will not change because you guys are all geography optional students. This I will not change. And remember, I'm assuming all notes synopsis is done. Is this fine? If you have not done the synopsis, then forget about your answer writing and revision. Seedha synopsis karo baith ke. That's your strategy. Hi Afridi, hello. Shamsundar Shinde, hello. हाँ तो अब किया कर लो, किया 0699. Now do it. Priya, for the freshers, your strategy is first finish the course. This strategy is for those who have finished the course, who have given the prelims, and now they are starting to get ready for next year. Okay, so Priya, this strategy is not for you. Okay, you have to be with the class, you do your classwork. This strategy is only for those who have not cleared the prelims and they have done the basic foundation. Maybe some consolidation work was left. So does this make sense to all of you? Is this fine, all of you? So this is one slot work, the second slot of work, and the third slot of work. How to overcome classes with, what do you mean by overcome classes? You do the classes and with the class space, keep doing your summary sheets. Freeti, I'm happy you appreciate that. Okay, ye ho gaya aapka? So what I will do is, okay, for the month of June and August, sorry, for the month of July and August, for those who have completed all synopsis work and they have finished NCRT work, you can revise optional and GS with me. For all those who have completed all synopsis. Agar synopsis nahi kiya hai, then that is your target. Then do synopsis work and finish NCRTs. Agar kar liya hai, now you revise optional and GS with me. And this revision you will be doing with me. How? Daily. Okay. We will try writing 2 to 3 answers. Okay, that's our strategy. And we will do this 5 days a week. So just like I am sharing 2 questions with you for GS, I will share 2 questions with you for geography. So I want all of you to be present on our geography channel of Telegram. Daily I will share 2 questions and my focus theme will be, okay, the focus units I will do is, I will do geomorphology. I will do climatology, oceanography. I will do India physical. We will revise geographical thought. And I will also try revising population geography. These 6 units I have in mind for the month of July and August. July, August, maybe I'll spill over a bit into September. So my plan is I'll give you 2 weeks for geomorphology. I'll give you 1 week for climatology, 1 week for oceanography, 2 weeks for India physical, 2 weeks for geographical thought, and maybe I'll see if you need to have 2 weeks for population geography. You think this much of time is good for all of you? Is this fine? Please write down this. I'm starting with geomorphology. हम यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे. I'll give you 2 weeks to finish geomorphology. Okay. I'll give you 1 week for climatology. I'll give you 1 week for oceanography. I'll give you 2 weeks for India physical because that's a bit more lengthy area with answer writing. I'll give you 2 weeks for geographical thought, and I'll give you 2 weeks for population geography. In fact, I wrote down the dates also. I do not know where I kept that. Okay, let me. No, only population geography. Only population geography. In fact, I plan to start today itself. Today is 3rd. Okay. So here we are. This is the month of July. This is the month of August. For the month of July, I'm giving you my calendar here. Okay. So month of July, we will have 3rd of July. Okay. Se lekar 2 weeks means I'm doing till 18th. Okay. This will be geomorphology. Then I will do from 21st July से लेकर 25th July तक I will do climatology. Then from 28th July up to 1st of August, okay, we will do oceanography. Okay, then from 4th of August, 4th of August up to 8th of August. Okay, and then again 11th of August से लेकर 15th of August, we will do India physical. Then another 2 weeks, 18th of August से लेकर 22nd August, followed by 25th August से लेकर 29th August. We will do geographical thought. And then on, okay, we will move on to from 1st of September से लेकर 5th of September, then again 8th of September से लेकर 12th of September. We will do population geography. These are the dates for you. Please write these down. Are you all with me? Are you all writing down these dates? Looks good. This is the month of July. And this is the month of August. लिख लो इसको. Actually, I will have 2 weeks here. ये जो यहाँ लिखा है, 3rd onwards I have written. So from 3rd till 5th, then from 7th till 11th, then till 18th rather. This is a good, nice, long time you have for yourself. I'll post 2 questions today itself. Paper to a human geography notes needs more focus. Shubham, okay. When I say population, I mean population 1 and 2. When I'm saying India physical, it includes physiography, monsoons, soil, vegetation. It also includes floods and droughts. And Shubham, ये completion थोड़ी है. This is, in fact, this is what I consider to some extent. This is the core geography. The core geography is a lot of questions. Sujay, your enrichment courses will start from maybe 10th of September type. So by the time I have finished this, you will be comfortable to start with enrichment thereafter. Make sense, all of you? Please write down the schedule in your notebook or whatever. With which topic? I think, Sujay, I will start enrichment with geographical thought. Geographical thought, models and theories, and maybe topics of regional planning. I'll start with that. Please make a nice calendar. Make a Excel sheet, make calendar bana lo, and you are on. So this is your monthly planner. This is your monthly planner for the month of July and August, plus I said some bit of September also. Okay. Now let me give you your weekly planner. August and September. Okay, I'm repeating, Nitin. I'm repeating. So from 28th of July up to your 1st of August, we are doing oceanography. Then from 4th of August, 8th is August, 4th of August up to 8th of August. Then again from 11th of August to 15th of August. So from 4 to 15th, I'm doing India physical. Then again, you're starting from 18th August. From 18th August, okay, say 22 August, then 25th, 29th, geographical thought. I'm giving you the planner where you are working Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Saturday, Sunday, I am leaving it out for you. So when I'm saying 3rd, 3rd is today. Today is Friday. Today, this week, I'll start off. Okay. So 21st is Monday. 25th is Friday. 28th is Monday again. 1st is Friday. 4th is Monday. 8th is Friday. 11th is Monday. 15th is Friday. Take all of you? Make sense? This is your monthly planner. Today is Thursday. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, today is Thursday, and today and tomorrow. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, Nitin. Today and tomorrow I'll post something because we're starting off. I'm giving you a bit more of time for geomorphology. और हर दिन आप आंसर लिखेंगे. And see, to be very honest, I cannot check all answer. I'll tell you what I will do here. Okay. So your weekly plan जो है, this is your weekly plan. Weekly planner. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This will be, okay, this will be your GS plus optional, where you will do revisions and answer writing. At least 2 answers a day, 2 for GS and 2 for optionals. So in 1 week, आप कितना आंसर लिख रहे हो? बताओ. Let's see. Yes, I'll do that. I'll share the channel with all of you. So in 1 week, how many answers are you doing? Okay. We are working for 5 days, so 20 answers, correct. In 1 week, 10 answers, okay, for GS and 10 answers for optional. So do you think this is a bad progress, or do you think this is a good target to go after? Yeah, batao. Do you think this is a good target to go after? And we're talking about approximately 10 weeks. 10 weeks में आपका 100 GS आंसर हो गया होगा और 100 geography answers हो गया होगा. I think it's a very good target, right? I'm not saying I'll complete everything for you, but itna is good enough. How many of you, you ask yourself, you have been studying for what, 2-3 years, ya jo bhi hai, how many of you have written even 15, 20, 30 answers properly? Okay. This is your Monday to Friday. Then Saturdays, I'm recommending you keep for current affairs. Questions beta मैं आपको दूंगा. They will be PYQs. I will give the questions to you. No, refer and write. You shall come to that. I'll come to that. Saturday, you keep for current affairs. And do current affairs thematically. Means the first Saturday, the second Saturday, the third Saturday, the fourth Saturday. The first Saturday, maybe focus on economy. Okay, focus on topics of development. Second Saturday, focus on polity, focus on governance, focus on social issues. The third Saturday, focus on environment, focus on disaster management. Okay, the third Saturday, focus on science and tech. And the fourth Saturday, you might write IR and security topics. So on Saturday, you're putting what, 5-6 hours, whatever you want to put. Okay, do this work. And if you have time, maybe 1-2 hours, if you can spare, maybe for some article reading will be nice. That's your choice. But this is more or less your weekly planner. And Sunday is your rest day. Sunday could also be your reserve day. Make sense? But Rahul, come on. Today's workshop is geography. आप बाकी बता रहे हैं, but we'll do geography right now. Sujay, I'm telling you the schedule. Do that schedule, no? Sujay, मैं बता रहा हूं आपको, शुरू होगा with geographical thought. Okay, so revise for that from now on. The second topic may be for population. Revise करो उसको. Is it okay, all of you here? All done? Is your weekly planner ready? So I've given you a weekly planner. I have also given you your daily planner. This is your daily planner. And this is your weekly planner. बताओ. Pooja, I will manage in such a way, you will have to study on your own. This is more like a self-study right now. So yes, this is for free. You're right. And all of this will be on my Telegram channel. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. So my Telegram channel on which I will do all of this, I am sharing on the screen for everybody. Okay. The Telegram channel's name is Geography with Edukemy. Please join my Telegram channel. It is Geography with Edukemy. This one will be for geography optional, and the second channel is Shabbir Edukemy for IAS. This is for GS. All good, all of you? So these are the channels you will join. Now, what I'll recommend to all of you is, what will be our process? Process will be, I will share 2 questions every day. My expectation is, first revise from the notes, revise from the textbooks. Third is, I will also share model answers or reference notes. Okay. The fourth is, see and write copy and write. Okay. See your textbooks, see your notes, see the reference notes, see the model answers. देख कर लिखो. Okay. This is the first step. See and write. And see and write. Don't bother about the word limit. First, write the answer. And then the second round, ये आपका होगा first round. In the second round, now redo the answer within the word limit. So your answer writing will happen through these 4 steps plus these 2 supporting steps. So this will be your final answer for submission. Please write down the steps. The process of answer writing is this. I will share 2 questions and these questions will be PYQ questions. आपने क्वेश्चन देख लिया, अब आप नोट्स निकालो, आप टेक्स्ट बुक निकालो, उसको पढ़ो, make some jottings, try recalling something. I will share model answer with you also. I will share reference notes also with you. Okay. Please refer all to this and see and write. ये आपका important strategy है. See and write. Okay. And this time you're writing, you're copying, no problem. And in the first round, please do not bother about the word limit. Okay. लिख डालो, 4 पेज हो, 3 पेज हो, 5 पेज, जो भी है लिख डालो. Write down. Then the second round में, okay, you will redo the answer. The second round, you will redo the answer. And when you're redoing the answer, you will do it within the word limit. You'll redo it within the word limit. Is it clear to all of you? बताओ, क्या समझ में नहीं आया? Ask me. Ask me if you have any clarifications. Ask me, please. Okay, I'll share the links again with all of you. Let me make those links quickly. No spontaneous answer writing. No spontaneous answer writing. No spontaneous answer writing. See and write. Copy and write. And write in 2 rounds. Write in 2 rounds. So Just a minute. Can you all see my screen? These are the two QR codes. You can please scan these two QR codes, all of you. In case you are not able to log in, these are the two QR codes. The first QR code is your GS QR code for Telegram channel. The second one is for geography. Nitin, mushkil hoga, but see if you can manage. I'll be happy if you can do both. But generally, if you have not done your summarization, it becomes tricky. We'll be happy if you can try to do the summarizations also. Try karo, if you can do both together. Danash Akil, did you scan the QR codes? Were you able to join now? One is the GS channel, one is the geography channel. On the geography channel, I'll be posting geography. On the GS channel, I will post the GS. GS answers I'm already doing for the last almost 1 week. I have shared 10 questions already. Shubham, you will write the answer and share on the Telegram group. वो chat में डाल देना. And I will pick up some random questions. I'm not saying I can see everybody's answers. I can pick up some randomly and I'll give you my inputs. You have to learn from each other's answers, learn from each other's, mistakes or whatever. Is this part fine, all of you? All done? Did you understand the strategy? So ask me if you still have any clarifications. What clarifications? And see, my target is by the end of first or second week of September, we would have done the core areas of geography. Geomorphology, climatology, we would have done oceanography, we would have done India physical, we would have done geographical thought, and that's quite a bit of progress then. Okay? I will start with oceanography. Or I can start even with geomorphology. Let me see. I can do either of those. Okay, I can take up either of those. I'm getting some messages now. Okay, so एक काम करते हैं, ठीक है? To make your life easy, let me change your schedule, ठीक है? क्या हो गया? Yes, it's all there on the resource page of ours. You can have a look. You can have a look. Any other question you want me to answer? Any other question you want me to answer? So what I can do, one change I can do for all of you is, maybe I will rather than starting with geomorphology, are you comfortable if I start with oceanography? Do you think that will be a good strategy? You tell me, how do you want me to start? Do you think you want to start with geomorphology or you want to start with oceanography? Are you all okay with this? Are you all okay with this? Okay, there I have given a choice. Padnika says oceanography, Shubham says geomorphology, Somu Chaudhary says geomorphology, Sonia says geomorphology, Tushar says oceanography, Nitin says geomorphology. So ठीक है, I'll take a call. That's my choice now. I will set the schedule for all of you. Debarga oceanography will be a good flexible start, okay? Absolutely, yes. Ruchira, the questions I'm giving you, read from the textbooks, read from the class notes, ताकि वो topic आपका revision हो जाए. That's the idea. That is the idea. Maybe second round I can take Didi's followers says oceanography. Afridi says oceanography. चलो ठीक है. I will let you know what I will do. ठीक है. So shall we now agree on at least doing our work sincerely, all of you? Yes, you can. Absolutely, you can, Nitin. Come and meet me physically, no problem. But make sure that you know it's a free time for me. I can meet you. Those classes होती हैं. I don't want you to come and get disappointed. ठीक है, all done. So can we now stop the workshop? Are we done? And you want to reach out to me and talk to me also? That's also that's fine with me. So my phone number is 9868424660. Please leave a WhatsApp message. Nikita, current affairs on some other day. And for GS, I already have done a workshop. You go back to the YouTube channel of Edukemy and look up the workshop I did for GS. I think I did it week before last. उसमें मैंने GS समझा दिया है हम कैसे करेंगे. Or join our Telegram channel for GS. I'll do that. Sonia, okay, let's see. Let me see if I can do that. ठीक है, चलो then all of you. Thanks for joining in. I hope you all start your preparation earnestly. मन लगा के आप पढ़ें, and I will do what I can to support you. As quickly as possible, Sham Sundar. as quickly as possible. The more you linger, the challenging it will be. Okay, chalo, all of you. Bye-bye. Take care. My wishes to you. How many hours? आयुष, आपको दे दिया मैंने. 8 to 10 hours का प्लानिंग करो अब. 3-4 hours for GS, 3-4 hours for option every day. So 8 to 10 hours तो बनता है आपका. Okay. Bye all of you. Good night. Take care. My wishes to all of you. Good night. Good night.